we can start.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can you please say your name?
My name Rin Seng.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And can you explain why you were excited to come to today's workshop?
ពូអាចបញ្យល់បានទេហេតុអីបានជាពូមានអារម្មណ៍សប្បាយចិត្តនឹងចូលរួមកម្មវិធីសិក្ខាសាលានៅក្នុងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងពូ
បាទខ្ញុំដោយសារតែមានកម្មវិធីនៅ UCC ចូលចិត្តមកសប្បាយ
Okay. He said that he liked to join UCC activity or workshop because he make him feel happy.
That's very beautiful. Yes. Can you tell us about the art that you created today?
ពូអាចបញ្យល់ពីគំនូរពាក់ព័ន្ធនឹងអ្វីដែលពូធ្វើនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះបានទេ
បាទគំនូរនេះខ្ញុំរូបហនុមាននេះតំណាងឲ្យអប្សរារបស់ខ្មែរយើង
Okay. He said that the Hanuman picture portrait is represent related to the the Apsara, Cambodian Apsara. Yeah.
That's beautiful. How do you feel when you create this piece of art?
ចាពូមានអារម្មណ៍មិនដែរនៅពេលដែលពូធ្វើគម្រោងមួយនេះដូចថាបំពេញគូរូបផាត់ពណ៌ឬក៏ធ្វើអីសកម្មភាពក្នុងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងណា
បាទខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តនឹងផាត់ពណ៌ឲ្យវាមានឆើតឆាយនៅក្នុងគំនូររបស់ខ្មែរយើង
He said that he liked to make his project like more colorful, beautiful. Yeah. He made him feel happy.
That's great. And did you also write something today?
ពូមានសរសេរដែរតែមែនទេនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃហ្នឹង
បាទមានសរសេរ
Yes.
Would you like to read what you wrote?
ពូសូមជួយអានអ្វីដែលពូសរសេរ
មានដូចថាកំណាព្យពីដើម
Okay. It's about the poem the old poem that he wrote today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. ពូអាចអានចា
បាទមនុស្សល្ងងលងនឹងអំណាច
Yeah.
មនុស្សកាចលងនឹងមនុស្សល្ងងលងនឹងអំនួតមនុស្សឆ្កួតលងនឹងអំណាចមនុស្សកាចលងនឹងកម្លាំងមនុស្សពូកែចម្បាំងលងនឹងកម្លាំងមនុស្សមោះមុតលងនឹងចំណេះវិជ្ជាបើឥតគំនិតងងឹតលុះមរណាបើឥតសិក្សាលុះលោកល្ងងលុះសន្ខ្សៃ
Okay. សូមបកប្រែជូនគាត់សិនណា
បាទ
Okay. Like the dumb person is like fall for the what do we call like the proudness, like proud, yeah. And the like a crazy or stupid person like fall for the power, and like this one is like a nasty person is fall for like the this one is power too, but it's more like a physical power.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And for those who are good at fighting or war, will fall for the fighting too. And for persistent person, will fall for the education. And if you like no purpose, no idea, or no goal, it's like you are like a fall until the end of your life. Yeah, and also like if no education, also like dumb until the end of your life too. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing your writing. There's a lot of wisdom in this writing. A lot of wisdom.
គាត់ថាអរគុណច្រើនដែលបានចែកម្លែកកំណាព្យរបស់ពូហើយវាមានបង្កប់នៅគតិល្អមែនតើ
Thank you.
And maybe our last question. This is an opportunity. This art workshop brings together children. It brings together aunties and uncles. What would you like to share about those connections between generations?
គាត់ថាកម្មវិធីអាចថ្ងៃហ្នឹងសិល្បៈថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគឺមានទាំងមនុស្សចាស់ទាំងកូនក្មេងចូលរួមអញ្ចឹងតើពូយល់ឃើញមិនដែរចំពោះការទំនាក់ទំនងដែលមានលក្ខណៈគេហៅថាពហុវ័យអញ្ចឹងណា
ខ្ញុំយល់ឃើញថាល្អសម្រាប់ថាមនុស្សចាស់ដឹងពីវប្បធម៌អប្សរាយើងហើយឲ្យមានក្មេងយើងឲ្យដឹងបន្តទៅទៀត
Okay. He said that it's very useful for the cross generation to join together because, like the senior, they have a knowledge and experience about the culture, tradition, and it's a good opportunity for the young generation to join to see, to learn from each other.
This is very true. Thank you so much for
Thank
sharing.
you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, can you please share your name?
សូមមិញនិយាយឈ្មោះខ្លួនឯង
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះផុសសាន់
My name is Paulson.
Nice to meet you. I am Susan.
គាត់ឈ្មោះ Susan.
Can you please say why you decided to come to this workshop today?
ចាមិញអាចបញ្យល់បានហេតុអីបានជាមិញចូលរួមនៅក្នុងវគ្គសិក្ខាសាលាក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះណា
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំចង់ចេះចង់ដឹងចង់ជួបជុំគ្នាជាពិសេសជាមួយគាត់
She said that she want to learn whenever there's any workshop she always want to attend and see her friend, meet her friend. Yeah.
Thank you. Can you tell us about the art that you created today?
មិញអាចបញ្យល់ពីសិល្បៈកិច្ចការដែលមិញបានធ្វើក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះបានទេ
ខ្ញុំគូររូបនេះខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តរូបហ្នឹងចា
She draw color this painting and because she like it.
Okay, the painting of the altar. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. And you also wrote a poem?
គាត់សួរថាមិញតែងកំណាព្យខ្លះទៅទេ
ចា
Can you read your poem?
សូមមិញអានកំណាព្យផងមិញ
កំណាព្យនេះជាគំនិតរបស់ខ្ញុំពីក្មេងចាមើលភ្នំធំធេងរែងរលឹកហើយបកឲ្យមិនតាន់
ចាអត់អីចាំខ្ញុំ
មើលទឹករលរលាបផ្សាយមើលកោះដូសឆ្ងាយដូចឆ្ងាយស្រីពេលព្រឹកព្រលឹមផ្កាសោចញញឹមទទួលសូរិយាចម្ប៉ាចំបៃរស្មីភ្លឺថ្លា
មានទៀតទេមិញ
ហើយក្រអូបក្លិនផ្កាចាជាប់ក្នុងចិត្តជក់ដិតអារម្មណ៍ដូចគេសណ្ដំឲ្យខ្ញុំជាប់ចិត្ត យល់ទេ
ចាអត់អីចាំខ្ញុំបញ្យល់អានខ្ញុំបកជូនគាត់ Okay, this is the poem about missing a homeland. Yeah. Describe about the mountain and about the wave, the water and the beauty, the island, and also about the smile in the morning to welcome the sun, the smell of the flower, different flower like plumery or frangipani or some like different flower, and it kept in her heart and in her heart and her mind.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing.
That's it? Yeah. Mình đã cho thầy đấy.
អស់ហើយចា
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Hello.
So,
Can you say your name, please?
ចាពូសូមនិយាយឈ្មោះខ្លួនឯងតិចពូ
សារ៉ាវុធអ៊ុំ
Nice to meet you.
និយាយបានជួបពូនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះចា
ចា
Can you explain why you were excited to come to today's art workshop?
ពូអាចបញ្យល់បានទេហេតុអីបានថ្ងៃហ្នឹងពូសប្បាយចិត្តនឹងចូលរួមនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីសិល្បៈថ្ងៃនេះចា
មានការរីករាយដោយសារជួបជុំគ្នាធ្វើការគូណូ
He happy to join the activity related to the art today.
And can you tell us something about the art that you created today?
ពូអាចចែកម្លែកពីរូបភាពដែលពូធ្វើនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះបានទេអាចជារូបភាពឬក៏សំណេរអីដែលពូបានសរសេរចាសូមពូបង្ហាញតិចមានរូបអីដែរចារូបអីដែរពូ
ហនុមាន
he said that he painting the Hanuman មានអីចង់ចែកម្លែកតទៅរូបនឹងទៀតទេដូចពូដាក់ពណ៌ហ្នឹងមានអត្ថន័យឬក៏អីទេពូ No, he doesn't have anything to say.
Can you say why did you choose Hanuman?
ពូអាចបញ្យល់បានទេហេតុអីបានជាពូជ្រើសរើសរូបផាត់ពណ៌រូបហនុមានហ្នឹង
ចាប់ឲ្យចំហ្នឹង
He just pick it.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Did you also write something today?
ពូមានសរសេរអីខ្លះតាក់ទងនឹងរូបភាពហ្នឹងឯងពូមិញយើងថាផាត់ពូហើយយើងមានសនេហ៍ទៀតពូមានបានសរសេរអីខ្លះទេពូនេះឯង
អ្នកកំណាប់
ចា yeah he wrote a poem
Can you please read your poem for us?
ពូអាចអានកំណាព្យពូឲ្យពួកខ្ញុំស្ដាប់បន្តិចបានទេ
សម្លឆ្ងាញ់អាសាគ្រឿងភរិយារុងរឿងអាសាស្វាមី
He said he said the delicious food because of the ingredient and happy family because of the husband and wife.
That's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Can you so this workshop today brings together aunties and uncles with children, younger people, and can you say something about how you feel connected to the younger people? What's important to you about those connections?
ដោយសារតែសិក្ខាសាលាថ្ងៃនេះគឺយើងមានការចូលរួមដូចថាចម្រុះវ័យពូមានទាំងមនុស្សចាស់មានទាំងកូនក្មេងអញ្ចឹងតើពូយកឃើញមិនដែរចំពោះការទំនាក់ទំនងនៅក្នុងសិក្ខាសាលានឹងដែលមានទាំងចាស់ទាំងក្មេងអញ្ចឹងពូចា
មានការតែអត់ធម្មតាការរស់នៅរបស់មនុស្សលោកយើងមានសេចក្តីសុខភក្តីភាពថាសេចក្តីសុខចឹងមក
He said that it's showing the happiness when there is like a cross generation joint activity together. Yeah,
that's really beautiful. Is there anything else that you would like to share with us?
ចាពូមានយោបល់ឬក៏គំនិតអីចង់ចែកម្លែកបន្ថែមទៀតទេពូចា
ឲ្យក្រុមដំណើរការសមាគមយើងរលូនទៅថ្ងៃមុខទៀត
He wish all the best for the the organization, UCC organization. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Can you tell us your name and how you felt about making the art and the poem today?
តើមីងអាចប្រាប់ពួកយើងតិចបានទេថាថ្ងៃហ្នឹងមីងសរសេរជាសិល្បៈបែបណាដែរមីងចាអានេះគេហៅសិល្បៈដែរចាខ្ញុំសរសេរជាសបុតចា So today through my art I write a letter to my dad. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I can't wait to Oh, so far you only have the letter.
Yeah.
Would you please read the letter to us and share it?
មីងអាចអានបានទេមីងចាកូនបានចាក់ចេញពីស្រុកខ្មែរមករស់នៅ USA កូនពិតជានឹករលឹកលោកប៉ានិងកូនខ្ញុំខ្លាំងណាស់តើលោកប៉ានិងកូនសុខទុក្ខយ៉ាងណាដែរតែកូនតែងតែសុបិនរាល់យប់ថារស់នៅជិតពួកគាត់រាល់ថ្ងៃប៉ុន្តែជាការសុបិនខ្ញុំពិតជាស្រឡាញ់ពួកគាត់ខ្លាំងណាស់សង្ឃឹមថាមានថ្ងៃណាមួយពួកយើងបានជួបគ្នាពីកូនអេងសុថាវីស្រឡាញ់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្លាំងណាស់ដឹងតែឆ្កងមែនទេអត់អីទេមីងI've been away from the home country Cambodia to come in the US. I moved away. Okay. I have moved from Cambodia to live in the US. I really missed my dad and my children so much. How are you, Dad? How are you, my children? Are you well? I always dream every night that I live close to everyone. But this is just a dream. I really love everyone so much. I hope one day we can live together again. From your daughters, Aang Sutavi. I really love everyone so much.
Well, that's a beautiful letter, and thank you for sharing with us. Is there anything else? How did this letter and this activity make you feel in being with other elders here in the space?
អរគុណច្រើនណាស់មីងដែលបានសរសេរសំបុត្រហើយចែករំលែកជាមួយនឹងពួកយើងតើនៅពេលដែលមីងសរសេរសំបុត្រនេះតើមីងមានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងណាដែរហើយនៅពេលដែលមីងបាននៅចិត្តអ៊ំដែលគាត់គូររូបហើយគាត់បានសរសេរសំបុត្រឬក៏គាត់បានតែងកំណាព្យនេះតើមីងមានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងណាដែរ
Ở tình dây rương năng nhập
dạ tôi ở lòng cha hai ở cái lòng của ớt cho
It's very personal letter. It's yes, and it's real, and I hope that this communicating out, and we're gonna hopefully share this, and then they could maybe hear your voice.
នេះគឺជាសវត្តមួយដែលបញ្ចេញពីទឹកចិត្តของមីងដែលមីងនឹកស្រុកអញ្ចឹងណាមីងហើយយើងសង្ឃឹមថានៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើការពួកគាត់នឹងបានលើពីមីងចា៎
If you're okay to talk, were you okay in terms of participating in this? And I know it's very personal, the letter, but the arts and writing, to be able to share something like this, it is personal, but it's a way for you to express your feeling, right? And can you talk about that a little bit?
ខ្ញុំដឹងថាការចែករំលែកនេះគឺវាផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនមែនតើតើមីងចង់បន្តការចែករំលែកបន្តិចទៀតទេឬក៏មីងអូខេនឹងចែករំលែកដល់ពួកយើងបានចែករំលែកទៅនេះប៉ុណ្ណឹងបានចាចាshe said that just this is okay enough.
Okay,
yes,
we can stop. Yes. Thank you so much for sharing this.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop this.
Can you please say your name?
និយាយឈ្មោះខ្លួនឯង
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះដុសហឹង
My name is Đốc Hân.
My name is Susan. Nice to meet you.
រីករាយដែលបានជួបពូ
ខ្ញុំក៏រីករាយដែរដែលបានជួប អ្នកស្រី
Can you say why you came to today's workshop?
ពូអាចបញ្យល់បានហេតុអីបានចូលរួមក្នុងកម្មវិធីក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះ
ខ្ញុំគិតថាកម្មវិធី Trade នេះវាជាកម្មវិធីដ៏មានសារៈសំខាន់ដែលយើងអាចបញ្ចេញនៅសារសិល្បៈនៅក្នុងខ្លួនរបស់យើងបង្ហាញទៅអ្នកដែលចូលរួមទេសនារូបភាពដែរ
He's happy to join the workshop today because it's an opportunity for him and the other to show their art talented.
That's great. And so can you please tell us about your picture that your art that you made?
ចាពូអាចបញ្យល់បានពីរូបភាពដែលពូធ្វើក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះហ៎
អាចបានដោយសាររូបភាពនេះជារូបភាពបង្ហាញពីសិល្បៈវប្បធម៌របស់ខ្មែរយើង
So about his art today is showing about Khmer culture and Khmer tradition.
ហើយខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់សិល្បៈខ្មែរ
And he loved the Khmer art so much.
That's beautiful. You did a wonderful job. You do have talent.
គាត់ថាស្អាតមែនតើហើយពូពិតជាមានដង
Thank you.
And you also wrote something?
ពូមានសរសេរសំណេរខ្លះទៅទេពូ
ខ្ញុំមានសរសេរទៅបាទ
អាចអានបានទេ
បានរក្សាពូជពងរក្សាពូជពងឲ្យរក្សាពូជពងឲ្យខ្ពង់ខ្ពស់រក្សាគេឈ្មោះឲ្យប្រពៃរក្សាកិត្តិយសឲ្យថ្លាថ្លៃរក្សាតម្លៃខ្លួនឲ្យល្អ
his សំអានតិចណាពូណាខ្ញុំសូមបកជូនគាត់ his poem is about the value of the living the life it means like to keep the family like at the highest and also the legacy and also the reputation and the value of yourself.
That's really beautiful, and I love what you wrote. That's wonderful.
ថាល្អមែនតើខ្ញុំក៏ស្រឡាញ់អ្វីដែលគ្រូសរសេរ
Thank you for taking the time to share with us. Can you please say your name for the recording?
តើបងអាចប្រាប់ឈ្មោះបាននេះ Sandy Kim
And my name is Susan. Nice to meet you. We met earlier.
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Susan ហើយរីករាយណាស់ដែលបានជួបម្ដងទៀតពួកយើងបានជួបគ្នាមិញនេះ could be both, but Khmer is easier because I'm gonna translate to Susan's anyway. In English? Yeah.
I think the reason is we're going to post the recordings. So the idea is, if you speak English, I can understand it without translation. But if people come to see this exhibit and they don't speak English, then we need the translation for them. So we were trying to make it bilingual so anyone can participate.
So do I just answer you in English like one time? Or
What's your choice? What is easier?
English?
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So can you explain why you came to today's workshop?
តើបងអាចប្រាប់បានទេថាហេតុអីបានជាបងអញ្ជើញមកកម្មវិធីថ្ងៃនេះ
Yes, I came to today's workshop because one, I think art heals, but also because I don't get to do art outside of intentional time set aside like programs. So I just want to take advantage of that and bring my mom along so we can connect because we don't connect.
ខ្ញុំមកថ្ងៃនេះដោយសារតែខ្ញុំជឿជាក់ថាសិល្បៈគឺជាការសម្រួលការធ្វើឲ្យបានជាសះស្បើយហើយម្យ៉ាងទៀតគឺដោយសារតែការងារមមាញឹកទើបខ្ញុំអត់សូវបានធ្វើសិល្បៈច្រើនទេហើយថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបាននាំម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំមកធ្វើការងារសិល្បៈជាមួយគ្នា
Can you tell us about this beautiful piece that you created?
តើបងអាចប្រាប់ពីសិល្បៈដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាតនេះឲ្យយើងបានយល់បន្តិចបានទេបង
Yes, I was inspired by the pictures on the wall hanging in the hallway, and I personally am very eclectic, so I like collages and I like using different mediums. I don't like wasting stuff, so I tend to hoard a lot of things because I didn't have when I was younger. So whatever I use, I try to incorporate in the art.
ចាដោយសារតែនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំបានឡើងមក UCC នេះគឺខ្ញុំបានឃើញមានសិល្បៈជាច្រើននៅតាមជញ្ជាំងអញ្ចឹងហើយបានខ្ញុំreally ខ្ញុំពិតជាមោទនភាពហើយចង់ធ្វើដូចដែរដូចអញ្ចឹងហើយបានខ្ញុំយកនេះបន្តិចដើម្បីដាក់ផ្គុំចូលគ្នាដើម្បីក្លាយជាសិល្បៈមួយ
And for you, what is the meaning of this piece?
ហើយសម្រាប់បងតើសិល្បៈមួយផ្ទាំងនេះមានន័យយ៉ាងណាដែរ
Okay, I was prepared for this. I wrote it down because I don't know how to answer things impromptu because I'm not really this because I feel like I have a lot I want to say. But basically, this is just like a memory for me, and it just weaves everything together. So from the past, the present, the future. I don't really know. I've always struggled with being Cambodian American because I'm not Cambodian enough, not American enough. And I think now I'm okay with myself. I'm content with where I am and I'm at peace.
Okay. គឺដោយសារតែរូបគំនូរមួយផ្ទាំងនេះគឺមានន័យសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំមែនតើគឺ Okay, I forgot. Sorry, Mom. I forgot the first part.
I forgot too.
You said it was the past, the present,
yes,
and the future.
ដោយសារតែរូបគំនូរនេះគឺជារូបគំនូរដែលវាបញ្ជាក់ឲ្យរូបខ្ញុំដែលរូបខ្ញុំខ្ញុំដាក់ជារូបពីអតីតកាលពីបច្ចុប្បន្ននិងពីអនាគតកាលហើយរូបនេះគឺបញ្ជាក់ពីអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ជួបប្រទះដោយសារតែខ្ញុំជាជនជាតិខ្មែរអាមេរិកកាំងហើយពេលខ្លះគឺខ្ញុំអត់ទាន់ស្គាល់ខ្លួនឯងឬក៏អត់ទាន់យល់ពីខ្លួនឯងថាតើខ្ញុំខ្មែរខ្លាំងប៉ុណ្ណាឬក៏អាមេរិកកាំងខ្លាំងប៉ុណ្ណាប៉ុន្តែឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំមានភាពជឿជាក់ហើយមានសន្តិភាពសម្រាប់ខ្លួនឯង Am I doing it okay?
Yeah, you're right.
Did you want to add anything?
តើបងចង់ថែមអីទៀតទេបង
I wouldn't know what to say.
That's fine. That's absolutely fine. Thank you so much for sharing your work. I really appreciated the opportunity to talk to you while you made it. It's great.
ខ្ញុំអរគុណបងខ្លាំងណាស់ដែលបងបានចែករំលែកនេះហើយខ្ញុំពិតជាសប្បាយរីករាយណាស់នៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំបានអង្គុយនិយាយជាមួយបងបានស្គាល់បងនៅពេលដែលបងកំពុងតែធ្វើសិល្បៈនេះមកផ្ទាំងមក
Yeah, thank you. Likewise.
Thank you. Hello, could you please say your name?
ជំរាបសួរអ៊ំតើអ៊ំអាចប្រាប់ឈ្មោះបានទេអ៊ំ
បាទខ្ញុំឈ្មោះប៊ុនណាងសុក
My name is Bonang Sok
Nice to meet you. My name is Susan.
ជំរាបសួររីករាយណាស់ដែលបានជួបថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Susan
Can you please explain why you were excited to come to today's workshop?
តើលោកអ៊ំអាចប្រាប់បានទេថាហេតុអីបានជាថ្ងៃនេះអ៊ំសប្បាយចិត្តដែលអញ្ជើញមកក្នុងកម្មវិធីយើងថ្ងៃនេះ
បាទខ្ញុំរកកម្មវិធីឲ្យតែការងាររបស់សង្គមដែលខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តមិនទុំឥឡូវតាំងពីដើមពីមិនចូលចិត្តនឹងការងារសង្គម
For me every time that the community hosts any workshop I would love to join I would love to learn I really love getting involved with the community
That's wonderful that you love the community.
គឺវាល្អមែនតើដែលអ៊ំចូលចិត្តការងារសង្គម Thank you
Can you tell us about your art that you created?
តើអ៊ំអាចប្រាប់បានទេថាថ្ងៃហ្នឹងអ៊ំគូអីគេខ្លះចា
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំគូផ្សេង
Today I draw a horse Yes
Why did you choose the horse?
ហេតុអីបានជាអ៊ំគូរូបសេះ
ខ្ញុំវានឹកឃើញថាពីទូផ្លោះជីសេះដូចថាសប្បាយផ្លោះជីសេះអីហ្នឹងដល់មកឥឡូវគេនឹកឃើញអារឿងការពីទូខ្ញុំនាំជីសេះជីអីហ្នឹង
It reminded me when I was young where people used to take me to do horseback riding and it's my happiest moment
That's wonderful that you can remember this happy moment.
ល្អមែនតើដែលអ៊ំអាចនៅចងចាំការសប្បាយជិះសេះចា
And you wrote something. Can you read it for us?
អ៊ំបានសរសេរនេះតើអ៊ំអាចអានបានទេអ៊ំអានដាច់ទេ
ខ្ញុំសូមអានជាភាសាខ្មែរណា
ចាចា
ប្រទេសខ្មែរសោយដោយសារមិនសូវមានអ្នកចេះដឹងពី
អ៊ំអានដាច់ទេអ៊ំចង់ខ្ញុំអានជំនួសហ៎
សម្ភាសតែមិញសោយ
អ៊ំឲ្យខ្ញុំអានជំនួសហ៎ណាអ៊ំណា
បាទ Sorry
អូខេប្រទេសខ្មែរខ្សោយដោយសារមិនសូវមានអ្នកចេះដឹងតាសង្ឃឹមថាកូនចៅចំនួនក្រោយខិតខំរៀនសូត្រឲ្យចេះដឹងចំណេះជ្រៅជ្រះដើម្បីផលប្រយោជន៍ខ្លួនគ្រួសារនិងប្រទេសជាតិកូនត្រូវតស៊ូខំរៀននិងធ្វើការឲ្យបានល្អឲ្យមានភាពអំណត់អត់ធន់ត្រូវរៀនដាក់ខ្លួនកុំក្អេងក្អាងសុភាពរាបសារចំពោះគ្រួសារនិងសង្គមជាតិ Cambodia is weak because we lack of human resources. Grandpa hope that my child and the next generation study so hard so that you have a deep understanding and the knowledge so that they can be the resources and use that resources for themselves, the family and the country as a whole. My sons or daughter, you need to try hard, study hard, also work hard, and then do the best ability you can. You need to have resilience, need to be humble and respect, and not too arrogant. You need to have compassion to your family and your country.
Those are such important resources for people to develop. Thank you.
នេះគឺសំខាន់មែនទែនសម្រាប់មនុស្សយើងដើម្បីធ្វើការលូតលាស់អរគុណចា
Thank you for sharing your work with us today.
អរគុណអូមដែលបានចែករំលែកសិល្បៈនឹង Yes
សូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណ
Thank you. Hello.
ជំរាបសួរ
Can you please share your name?
សូមនិយាយឈ្មោះទាំងបានមិញចា៎
សុធីធីម
Nice to meet you. My name is Susan.
គាត់និយាយទៅបានជួបគាត់ឈ្មោះ Susan ចា៎
ចា
Can
អ
you
រគុណ
Thank you. Can you say why you came to today's workshop? Why were you excited to come?
ចា៎មិញអាចបញ្យល់បាននេះហេតុអីបានមិញសប្បាយចិត្តនឹងចូលរួមនៅក្នុងសិក្ខាសាលាថ្ងៃនេះចា៎
ខ្ញុំចូលរួមដើម្បីអបអរសាទរខួបទី50
She said that she joined to celebrate the 50-year anniversary of the Cambodian community.
This is very important.
គាត់ថានេះសំខាន់
ចា
Can you tell us about the art that you made today?
មិញអាចបញ្យល់បានពីរូបភាពដែលមិញធ្វើក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះបានទេ
ខ្ញុំហាត់ជើងធូបខ្មែរយើងសម្រាប់អុជបូជាថ្វាយបង្គំព្រះ
She said that about the altar is so express about her respect to the Buddha. Yeah.
That's beautiful. And did you made also hands very beautiful.
គាត់ថាមានគូរូបដៃសាពះនេះស្អាតណាស់
ចាអរគុណ
And did you write something today?
គាត់សួរមិញបានសរសេរខ្លះ
ខ្ញុំទៅសេគិតល្អនិយាយល្អធ្វើល្អជីវិតជួបតែរឿងល្អល្អ
Yeah, she wrote a phrase here about good thinking, good speaking, and good acting is make your life like prosperous or make only a good thing that happen in your life. Yeah.
This is very important. Very good. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
taking the time to share with us and for your contributions today. Thank you.
ចា
ចា
បានចូលរួមគ្នា
ចាអរគុណ
Hello. Can you please say your name?
ចាសូមលោកពូជួយនិយាយឈ្មោះសូមលោកពូជួយនិយាយឈ្មោះខ្លួនឯង
សុផាត
Nice to meet you.
និយាយទៅបានជួបពូថ្ងៃនេះ
បាទអរគុណ
Could you explain why you were excited to come to today's art workshop?
លោកពូអាចបញ្យល់បានទេហេតុអីបានជាលោកពូសប្បាយចិត្តនឹងចូលរួមក្នុងកម្មវិធីសិក្ខាសាលាក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះពូ
ខ្ញុំអត់បានដឹងដែរតែបានដំណឹងពីម្សិលមិញនេះក៏ខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តចូលមក
Actually, he just learned about this project yesterday, and he's very happy to join the activity today.
That's great. That's great. Can you tell us a little bit about the art that you created today?
លោកពូអាចបញ្យល់បានពីកិច្ចការដែលលោកពូបានសកម្មភាពធ្វើថ្ងៃនេះបានទេចា
បានខ្លះ
Yeah, he can explain some. Yeah, some joke.
Can you show?
លោកពូធ្វើពីអីដែរ
ខ្ញុំហាត់ color រូបស្វា
ចា Okay, he color the monkey Hanuman. Yeah.
And can you say why did you choose these colors? It's very beautiful.
លោកពូអាចបញ្យល់បានទេថាហេតុអីបានជាលោកពូជ្រើសរើសផាត់ពណ៌នឹងវាស្អាតហ្នឹងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងចារូបនឹងស្អាតចា
អរគុណខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តរូបនេះគឺប្រពៃណីខ្មែរយើងពីចំនួនដើមមកគឺយករូបនេះ
He said that thank you for your compliment and he loved this picture because it show about Khmer culture and tradition. Yeah.
ជានិមិត្តរូបមួយ
Yeah. It's one of identity, the Khmer identity. Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Did you also write something today or no?
គាត់សួរថាលោកពូបានសរសេរសម្ដីអីខ្លះទេ
ខ្ញុំអត់បានសរសេរអីផង
អត់សូវចេះ
He said he didn't write anything because he's not good at.
Well, you were very busy coloring or creating your art. This was also very time consuming. It's really delicate and very carefully done.
គាត់ថាអត់អីទេព្រោះអីលោកពូផាត់យ៉ាងស្អាតមែនតើរូបថ្ងៃហ្នឹងណា
បាទអរគុណ
He said thank you.
បាទ
So one purpose of this particular workshop is to bring together aunties, uncles, and the younger generation, the children or young people. Can you share what does it mean to you to have these connections across generations?
Yeah, she asked you. Sorry. គាត់សួរថាថ្ងៃហ្នឹងការឆ្លាងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគឺមានទាំងចាស់ទាំងក្មេងចូលរួមដូចថាចម្រុះវ័យណាចាអញ្ចឹងតាពូយល់ឃើញមិនដែរចំពោះសិក្ខាសាលាបែបហ្នឹងតាមានវាមានប្រយោជន៍ឬក៏តំណាក់តំណងបែបណាអីសម្រាប់ពូចា
ល្អដែរសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំប៉ុន្តែដែលខ្ញុំឆ្លាញ់រូបនេះគឺរូបនៅក្នុងចម្លាក់នៅប្រាសាទអង្គរយើងណាបាទ
He said it's good to see and he's described about his picture that it's from the like it's so about Khmer culture identity like the one that in the stone at Angkor Wat. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
បាទចប់
Does he want to say anything else?
ពូមានអីចង់បន្ថែមទេទេ
អត់មានអីទេ
Okay, that's all.
That's all. Can you please say your name?
សូមនិយាយឈ្មោះមិញតិចណា
ចាខ្ញុំឈ្មោះច័ន្ទធូអូន
Her name is Chantu Un.
And can you say why were you excited to come to the art workshop today?
ចាមិញអាចបញ្យល់បានទេហេតុអីបានជាមិញមានអារម្មណ៍ដូចថាសប្បាយចិត្តរំភើបដែលបានចូលរួមនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីសិល្បៈថ្ងៃនេះមិញ
ចាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍សប្បាយបានជួបមិត្តភ័ក្តិហើយមានអារម្មណ៍ថាគូរូបដាក់ color អីយ៉ាងស្អាតស្រស់ស្រាយអញ្ចឹងជីវិតខ្ញុំថ្ងៃហ្នឹងក៏ស្រស់ស្រាយទៅតាមនឹងដែរចា
She is so happy to join the art project today because she was able to meet with her friend and also that when she color the art project it make her feel fresh and colorful based on the color that she designed in her art project.
That is very beautiful.
Thank you.
Can you tell us about your art that you created today?
ចាមិញអាចរៀបរាប់បានទេអំពីរូបភាពដែលមិញបង្កើតរៀបគូផាត់ពណ៌ឬក៏គូនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះចា
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបានគូពីដូចជាកនូប្រពុតអុចធូបដាក់ក្នុងថោអុចជើងធូបអាហ្នឹងជាវប្បធម៌របស់ប្រពៃណីខ្មែរយើងហើយខ្ញុំក៏ជាប្រពៃណីខ្មែរដែរអញ្ចឹងជាចំណងចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺចំអញ្ចឹងហ្មង Yeah.
She said that because the culture the Khmer culture is like we believe in the Buddha and when we put the incense in the pot to respect to pray to the Buddha it's with her intention it's like one of her favorite to do it.
That is also beautiful.
គាត់ថាល្អមែនតើមានអីចង់បន្ថែមទេទៅលើ
ចាខ្ញុំនេះជារូបខ្ញុំសាពះប្រពុតចានេះជាបេះដូងរបស់ខ្ញុំចំណងរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺហើយនឹងសាពះនឹងរូបបេះដូងរបស់ខ្ញុំមក
She describes she add more like the palm together to pray pay respect to the Buddha and also the heart because it's one of like it show her love to the Buddha.
And thank you for sharing that. You also wrote something, correct?
មិញមានសរសេរអីបន្ថែមពីលើរូបភាពនឹងត្រូវទេ
ចានេះខ្ញុំសរសេរជាកំណាព្យមួយ
Yeah, she wrote a poem.
Can she read the poem?
មិញអាចអានបានទេ
ចាអានបានចាបានប្រពន្ធស្អាតមិនស្មើបានប្រពន្ធចេះគិតគូរបានប្រពន្ធចេះតស៊ូទៅគ្រួសាររីករាយ
Okay, I will translate for you. ban propun saat mensma nang ban propun jacket good. For the first phrase, it means that um, like the beautiful wife is not as good as the thoughtful wife, and the persistent wife could bring happiness to the family.
Very important.
ก็ท่าสำคัญ
And maybe my last question, this activity brings together aunties and uncles and young people. Is there something that you would like to share about the connections across generations?
ចាគាត់ថាចូលរួមក្នុងគម្រោងសិល្បៈថ្ងៃនេះមីងឃើញមានពូមានមីងហើយក៏មានក្មេងៗចូលរួមតើមីងយល់ថាការទំនាក់ទំនងនៅក្នុងគម្រោងកម្មវិធីហ្នឹងមានផលល្អអីឬក៏មានយោបល់គំនិតមិនដែរមីងចា
ចាបើខ្ញុំទៅមានអារម្មណ៍ថាសប្បាយរំភើបរីករាយហ្មងក្នុងខ្លួនខ្ញុំដូចសប្បាយក្នុងចិត្តហ្មងឃើញអញ្ចឹងចា
She said to join the activity they make her very happy. Yeah, just happy. Happiness.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah. Hỏi ước muối. Yeah.
Is there any more question? Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so Can you say your name, please?
Hoi Linh.
My name is Hoi Lim.
My name is Susan. Very nice to meet you.
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Susan ហើយរីករាយណាស់ដែលបានស្គាល់
ចា
Can you share why you came to the art workshop today?
តើអ៊ំអាចចែករំលែកបានទេថាហេតុអីបានជាអ៊ំអញ្ជើញមកកម្មវិធីសិល្បៈថ្ងៃនេះ
មកចូលរួមឲ្យបានសប្បាយឯនៅក្នុងជួបជុំឲ្យបានសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នានៅផ្ទះស្ងាត់
ចា I want to come because there's a lot of people that I expect is gonna be here, so that I don't want to stay at home because it's so quiet at home.
Yes, thank you for coming. That's beautiful. Can you tell us about the work that you made today?
អរគុណណាស់ដែលអ៊ំបានអញ្ជើញមកហើយវាស្អាតមែនតើនៅពេលដែលអ៊ំចូលរួមតើអ៊ំអាចជួយប្រាប់បានទេថាថ្ងៃនេះអ៊ំគូអីគេដែរ
ថ្ងៃនេះគូរូបមេម៉ៅរូបតម្រៃរូបតោ
Today I drew a butterfly, elephants and a lion.
Thank you. They're beautiful.
អរគុណណាស់អ៊ំវាស្អាតមែនតើចា
Why did you pick these particular animals?
ហេតុអីបានជាអ៊ំជ្រើសរើសយកសត្វទាំងនេះអ៊ំ
ហេតុខ្ញុំសុទ្ធជ្រើសរើសយកសត្វទាំងនេះតំណាងឲ្យសត្វនេះតំណាងឲ្យក្រុមគ្រួសារសុខសប្បាយ
I choose this
សុខសប្បាយទាំងអស់
I choose this animal because it represents something to me. For example, the butterfly, it represents family happiness. រូបអីទៀតអ៊ំ
រូបដំរីនេះតំណាងឲ្យប្រជាជនផងតំណាងឲ្យក្រុមគ្រួសារយើងផងឲ្យមានសបោសបាយក្នុងគ្រួសារក្នុងប្រទេសជាតិយើងទាំងអស់គ្នា
Yes. So the elephant is representing the family and the country prosperities, and then also people around the world prosperities. ចុះតោ
តោតំណាងឲ្យមនុស្សក្នុងយើងក្នុងប្រទេសយើងទាំងអស់ហើយនឹងក្រុមគ្រួសារឲ្យមានកម្លាំងសុខភាពល្អមាំមួន
For the lion, it represents people's strength, people health, and people strong commitment health. Yes.
Thank you for sharing what these mean. You did a wonderful job.
អរគុណណាស់ដែលអ៊ំបានចែករំលែកនេះអ៊ំធ្វើបានល្អមែនតើអ៊ំចង់ចែកអានេះចែកអ៊ំចង់ឲ្យខ្ញុំអានអានេះទេអានដោយអានចាអានឲ្យគាត់ចាអូខេ I asked her if she want me to read her story. She share about this,
Okay.
and she said yes.
Okay.
So I'm gonna read it. កាលពីនាងខ្ញុំអាយុ18ឆ្នាំប្រទេសកម្ពុជាត្រូវបានប៉ុល ពតវាយបំបែកបានគ្រួសារខ្ញុំត្រូវបែកបាក់មិនបាននៅជុំគ្នាទេខ្ញុំចាំបានថាកាលនោះខ្ញុំបានជន្លៀសចេញពីស្រុកកណ្ដៀងទៅរស់នៅភូមិធ្លកពេលនោះហើយជាពេលដែលខ្ញុំគ្មានឱកាសជួបបងប្រុសខ្ញុំម្ដងទៀតខ្ញុំមានបងប្អូន10នាក់ពេលចប់សង្គ្រាមពួកខ្ញុំនៅសល់តែ9នាក់បងប្អូនទេចំនួនប៉ុល ពតខ្ញុំនិងគ្រួសារពិបាកខ្លាំងណាស់តែយើងត្រដររស់រហូតដល់សប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃ50ឆ្នាំក្រោយសង្គ្រាមធ្វើឲ្យយើងបែកបាក់គ្រួសារខាតបង់ទ្រព្យសម្បត្តិខាតបង់ឱកាសខ្ញុំចង់បានប្រទេសខ្ញុំឲ្យជួបតែសន្តិភាពហើយចង់ឲ្យកូននិងចៅប្រឹងរៀនដើម្បីកសាងនិងអភិវឌ្ឍប្រទេសឲ្យបានរុងរឿងហើយកុំភ្លេចប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រខ្មែរយើង English when I was 18 Cambodia was under the control of the Khmer Rouge where my family are breaking apart from each other. I remember that they moved our family to Kanding commune from Kanding commune to the Tlok village. At that moment, it was the time that I lost the opportunity to meet my older brother again. I have 10 siblings. After the war ends, I only have 9 siblings. During the Pol Pot regime, myself and my family go through a lot of hardship, and we try our best to survive. And then here we are, 50 years later. War make us lost our family, make us lost our treasure, our belonging. War make us lost the opportunity. Therefore, I wish to my country to have peace, and I would ask the younger generation, my children, my grandchildren, to study hard, so that we can build and develop our country together to prosperities, and to not forget our Cambodian history.
Thank you for sharing. I am sorry for your loss, and I appreciate your sentiments for the younger generation.
សូមអរគុណអ៊ំច្រើនមែនតើដែលអ៊ំបានចែករំលែកហើយក៏សូមទោសដែលអ៊ំបាត់បង់បងប្រុសហើយអរគុណដែលអ៊ំបានចែករំលែកពាក្យខ្លះៗទៅឲ្យកូនចៅជំនាន់ក្រោយ
Thank you.
Okay, Ming Sophie, thank you for being here. Can you share with us what you did today for your art project or your poem?
ជម្រាបសួរមីងសូហ្វីថ្ងៃនេះតើមីងអាចចែករំលែកបានទេថាមីងគូររូបអីហើយមីងបានសរសេរកំណាព្យអីគេខ្លះ
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំគូគំនូរ
ជើងធូប
ចាសម្រាប់ដុតធូប
Today I paint the altar.
Okay, how did you feel when you paint the altar? Did it remind you of something? And what like, can you describe how you felt? And does it remind you, make you feel a certain way?
តើមីងនៅពេលដែលមីងគូររូបហ្នឹងតើមីងគិតពីអីគេមីងចាំអីគេខ្លះ
ចាំថាហ្នឹងវាជាគ្រប់ពុទ្ធសាសនាព្រោះជាជនខ្មែរ 90% កាន់ពុទ្ធសាសនាអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំក៏គួរហ្នឹងហាក់ដូចជាគ្រប់ដល់សាសនារដ្ឋនិងក្នុងផ្ទះដែរ
So basically when I paint this it reminded me of the belief that we pay respect to the Buddhists. Buddhism is what our Cambodian been practicing. Majority of the Cambodian, so perhaps saying 90% are practicing Buddhism. So it's a way that I pay my respect to the Buddha, and then also the Buddha at home as well.
Okay, the arts and tradition is important, the Buddhist tradition in our community. So what kind of message would you want to say to the younger people in terms of how important the arts and creativity is and in connection with growth?
យើងឃើញថាការសិល្បៈនៃការគូរហើយនឹងការគោរពបូជាគឺសំខាន់មែនទែនតើមីងមានសារអីផ្ញើទៅឲ្យក្មេងៗជំនាន់ក្រោយទេតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងការគូររូបដែលតភ្ជាប់ទៅជាមួយនឹងការជំនឿរបស់ដូនតាយើងក៏ដូចជាសិល្បៈផ្សេងៗ
សិល្បៈគំនូរវាដូចថាវាឆ្លុះបញ្ចាំងពីសង្គមមួយដែរក្មេងៗជំនាន់ក្រោយត្រូវតែដឹងត្រូវតែរៀនតហើយពីបញ្ហាជំនឿពុទ្ធសាសនាក៏វាផ្សារជាប់ជាមួយគ្នាអាចកាត់ផ្ដាច់គ្នាចាក្មេងៗជំនាន់ក្រោយត្រូវតែទទួលយកអញ្ចឹងចា
So basically the art is reflecting on our daily practices in terms of whatever we believe, tradition that we hold on to and we've been respecting. So this is a way for us to give back to our next generation to continue តាមដានជើងអញ្ចឹងណាមែនទេ to continue our footsteps and then also taking care of our traditions.
Okay, thank you for that. Is there anything else that she would like to share about her artwork and the experience of being here? Or is there, oh, she has a poem. Okay. Can you read your poem for us and see what it says?
មីងអាចអានបានទេមីងចាមីងមើលអក្សរខ្ញុំដាច់អត់ទេឬខ្ញុំអានឲ្យអូខេអត់ទេអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំអានណាចាសម្បត្តិទៅអ្នកម្ដាយទៅម្ដាយខ្ញុំជូនចំពោះអ្នកម្ដាយជាទីនឹករលឹក4ឆ្នាំហើយដែលអ្នកម្ដាយបានឃ្លាតគ្មានថ្ងៃត្រឡប់កូននឹកម៉ែណាស់ម៉ែធ្លាប់មើលថែទាំកូនចៅអប់រំប្រដៅឲ្យកូនដើរក្នុងផ្លូវល្អធ្វើជាមនុស្សល្អរស់ក្នុងសង្គមកូនចាំទាំងអស់ហើយស្រណោះលុះស្រណោះណាស់គ្មានលុះថ្ងៃអវសានចាថែមថយខុស A letter to my mom. Sending this letter to my mom who I miss dearly. It's been 4 years that you've been far away and there's no returns. I miss you so much. Mom, you used to take care of us, give us good lessons and to make sure that we are being a good citizens so that we can be a good person in the community. I really remember everything and remember it until the day that I am gone.
Well, thank you for showing your picture and reading this personal poem to us and allowing us to listen with you.
អរគុណមីងច្រើនណាស់ដែលមីងអង្គុយគូររូបហើយទៅសេចាសបត់ដើម្បីចាអ្នកគ្រូជួយដែរចាខ្ញុំ
Okay, all right, Ming, thank you. Can you give us your name and tell us what did you make for the art activity today?
មីងអាចប្រាប់ឈ្មោះពីយើងបានទេហើយថ្ងៃនេះមីងបានធ្វើអីគេខ្លះខ្ញុំឈ្មោះសវឿនពេជ្រខ្ញុំបានផាត់ពណ៌ផើងអុជធូបចាហើយនឹងកំណាបចាកំណាបចេះកំណាប Today my name is Savun Pek. Today I paint the altar and then also do a poem.
Okay, yes, a painting and a poem. Could you describe how you felt when you started the drawing of the altar? And then from there, we could also have you read the poem.
តើមីងអាចបរិយាយបន្តិចបានទេថាហេតុអីបានជាមីងជ្រើសរើសផើងអុជធូបដើម្បីផាត់ពណ៌ហើយតិចទៀតយើងនឹងសួរមីងតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងការសរសេរដំណាក់របស់មីង
ចាខ្ញុំយកនេះជានិយាយខ្លីៗហ្មងជាផើងសម្រាប់អុជធូបនេះជាប្រពៃណីតាំងពីបរមបុរាណមកអញ្ចឹងយើងមិនអាចបំភ្លេចចោលទេមានប្រពៃណីចូលឆ្នាំកឋិនឬក៏ពិធីបុណ្យអីផ្សេងហើយយើងមានពេលខ្លះអានេះជាផើងនៅវត្តទេប៉ុន្តែយើងធូបទៀននេះយើងថ្វាយគុំរាល់ល្ងាចចាហើយដើម្បី sorry
I choose the altar because I want to honor the tradition, the culture of our Khmer ancestor. It's been thousands of years already, and this altar in this picture is you see it at the temple, but we also have ones at home where we pay respects every single day.
Oh, okay, all right, thank you. There's more. Okay.
មីងទៅតបានមីង
ខ្ញុំមិញចង់ភ្លេចបាន
sorry មីងថាយើងអត់គ្រប់តែនៅវត្តទេយើងគ្រប់នៅ
ចានៅផ្ទះក៏ខ្ញុំថ្វាយគុំអីថ្ងៃសិលអីអញ្ចឹងទៅណាចារាល់ហើយដើម្បីឲ្យយើងចាំតាំងក្មេងចំនួនក្រោយឲ្យគាត់ដឹងថាយើងកុំឲ្យភ្លេចព្រោះក្មេងទូចនេះវាជឿនមកស្រុកនេះមិនស្រុកណាទេគឺក្មេងជឿនលឿនអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវឲ្យវាដឹងដែរកុំឲ្យភ្លេចប្រពៃណីដូនតាព្រមរានមកអញ្ចឹងណាចាអញ្ចឹងមានថាមានកម្មវិធីចូលឆ្នាំមិញចាមានសັບគ្រប់អញ្ចឹងណា sorry មួយឥឡូវចាំមួយផ្លេតហើយអញ្ចឹងផ្លេតចាឲ្យខ្ញុំតបបាន
so this altar is very important because it represents our culture. Not only that, it's also a message telling our younger generation to not forget where we come from, to not forget our ancestor, our tradition, and also our culture. And we use the altar a lot through different occasions, such as the Khmer New Year, Khmer traditional holidays.
Okay. Shall we move on to the poem? Can she read the poem for us? And what she wrote?
មីងអាចអានបានទេ
បានចាទោះបីនឹកឃើញវាសនាស្មោះមិនបោះបង់សេចក្តីប្រឹងត្រូវព្យាយាមឲ្យពេញថឹងព្រោះប្រឹងនឹងប្រេងជាគូគ្នានឹងខ្ញុំចង់និយាយពីក្រុមគ្រួសារមួយដែលនិយាយទៅចុះសម្រុងគ្នានិងយល់ចិត្តគ្នាដឹងទុក្ខទុក្ខគ្នាទោះយើងប្រឹងពីនោះមកក្នុងគ្រួសារយើងឲ្យកម្លាំងចិត្តចេះដែរចាបានសេចក្តីសុខ
ទោះបីនឹកឃើញវាសនាស្មោះមិនបោះបង់សេចក្តីប្រឹងeven though we remember the love that we have, but it's also come with hardship and resilience. We need to try our best. So because the resilience and hard work is a pair that need to go together. I wrote this poem because I want to show that through hardship, through resilience, through togetherness, we can grow stronger as a family.
Okay, that's beautiful. Yeah. Okay, Ming-Sibun, can you describe how you felt when you did the coloring and then the poem, and why the art is important? Your phone keeps going off.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so yeah, how did you feel making these two?
មីងសុវណ្ណអាចប្រាប់ពួកយើងបានទេថានៅពេលដែលមីងគូហើយគូរូបហើយនឹងសរសេរភូមិនេះមីងមានអារម្មណ៍ថាម៉េចដែរនឹកឃើញអីគេ
មីងនេះចង់បញ្ជាក់និយាយទៅពីក្រុមគ្រួសារមួយដែលខំប្រឹងប្រែងចេះដឹងទុក្ខរៈគ្នានិយាយទៅក្នុងសង្គមមួយទាំងមូលហ្មងយ៉ាបើគ្រាន់តែស្រឡាញ់យើងអត់ស្មោះគ្នាក៏មានសេចក្តីសុខដែរបើប្រឹងហើយនៅខាងក្រោយឬក៏ប្រពន្ធមិនទុកមិនដាក់ក៏អត់មានសេចក្តីសុខដែរខ្ញុំ
ចាSo basically when I draw this this altar and then also write this poem, I feel that it's so important in our community. It reflecting on the happiness within the family, where a wife and a husband need to work hard together, the determination of reaching one goal, which is to grow the family into prosperity, meaning that hardship, resilience, and love come together, and we need all hands together to make this happen.
Okay. All right, well, thank you so much for sharing your artwork.
You're
and
welcome.
Your poem with us.
ចាអរគុណចាយន់ចា